What's up, guys? The Kid Got Key speaking, guys, or the Blue Moon Man. So I just want to show you guys how to use the Blue Moon system 4.6 Pro Plus. Um, guys, it's easy to use the system. This system, guys, is based on price action, it's based on ICT, and it's based on smart money, guys. So this system also trade support and resistance and breakouts and pullbacks. As you can see, this is a pullback. The price break this level 61%, and then the system gave us a pullback signal. Here was the pullback signal. Check, the price went up. So guys, how to use the system, and which time frame I recommend like to trade with the system. Time frame that I recommend, if you're a swing trader, I advise you to use 1 hour time frame and 15-minute time frame. This time frame that I recommend when you're using the system. Oh, when you're a swing trader, and if you're a scalp trader, I advise you to use 5 minute time frame and one minute time frame. So guys, this is USD chef. Right now we're on USD chef. So right now what's happening? As you can all see, the price is still on our 76% level, Fibonacci level. So which means the price is still likely to reverse and then still push the market to the upside. But right now we can't confirm this signal because we have a signal that shows that the market now is ready to reverse, is ready to go to 50% level or 38% because of this red line, this indicator. This indicator shows that the markets where the market it will go in the future. So how to how to how to trade with the system, guys. Just note that, guys, before this indicators, this arrow pops up, this buy arrows pops out, you firstly gonna get these lines, the blue line and the red line. Those like two lines shows that like they analyze the market, they predict the future of the market, when the market will go in the future. And also this box will appear, guys. This box tells you the percentage between the bulls and the bears. And also this indicator shows you what's happening on 1 hour time frame and on daily time frame. Let's just go to 5 minute time frame. Let's go to 5 minute time frame, guys. So right now we're on 5 minute time frame, guys. We're on 15-minute time frame. This is USD trap, and the system gave us a sell. Yeah, the system gave us a sell. The system gave us a sell, guys. Yeah, this is a great signal to take a sell. The price will sell until this level, this 100% level, because this signal, the scalp signal, is not a swing or signal, but the price right now, the system give us a sell, the market will drop. So guys, let's go to Nasdaq and see what's happening, or Euro USD. This Euro USD, guys, we on H1, guys. As you can all see, guys, this Euro USD H1, and guys, check this. Check what happened. The price did drop. The system gave us a signal. First, the red line pops up, and then we're first gonna wait for the first two candlestick to be closing. After then, execute and hold, and then wait for the system to give you another signal of a sell. Show that the price now is ready to reverse. It gave us a sell signal, and check the price did drop. Let's just drop to a smaller time frame and see what's happening on 15-minute time frame. Yeah, check, guys, on 15-minute time frame. The market did well. Check, it gave us a sell signal, and the market dropped. The market dropped. The market dropped. No cap. The market dropped. And if you did miss this signal, this sell signal, the system gave you another signal. Check, the price dropped and then it went to 23%. After it touched our 23%, it went back to 50% level to retest, and then it dropped again. So guys, the part 2 video, I'm gonna teach you how to I'm gonna teach you about the Fibonacci retracement levels, where to enter on Fibonacci retracement levels, and where to exit, and where to get sniper entries, and where to get reversal entries, and where to get pullbacks on parts of Euro. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna teach you about that. So right now, check the signal. If you did miss the signal, the system gave us another signal of a sell. Check the error, it pops up again, and then check the box. This box tells you. I told you guys, yeah, I told you what this does. What does this box means? So as you can all see, this 86% of cells, 86% 86% bears are strong, guys. The bears are strong. The bears are strong, and the bulls are weak. As you can all see, the bulls we got 13%, and the bears we got 86%. This means that like the market is still selling. The market is still selling. You feel me? So I don't advise you to look for any buys opportunities, guys. I don't advise you to look for any buys opportunities when like you see levels like these. And like let me show you something. I think we got something here. We got some the reversal indicator pops up, guys. Check. The reversal indicator D pops up, and then it went back to 23%. It closed below 23%. I check where the price is now. I think if the price break this 23%, the market now, the system it will give me a buy signal. It will give me a buy signal, because as you can see on 1 hour time frame, it's a on Euro USD, it's an uptrend. On daily time frame, it's a downtrend. So immediately when the price break this 23% level, the system gonna give us a buy signal, and then we're gonna hold on up until 76% or 100%. Let's just go to 5 minute time frame and see what's happening on the smaller time frame. Let's check. Check. Oh, guys, this is 5 minute time frame. As you can all see, the system gave us sell signals, sell signals. Check the sell signals, guys. Oh, this is the sell signal. The sell signal. 5 minute time frame. The system gave us a sell. Yeah, USD is still a sell, but I don't advise you to take a signal like this when the market already pops up this line show that the price now is likely to reverse. I don't advise you to take this signal. I don't advise you to open a sell trade, because we got this indicator now. Let's go to Nasdaq. Yeah, this Nasdaq, guys. Yo, yesterday I killed Nasdaq, no cap, guys. Yesterday I caught this movement, and I also caught this pullback. Let me show you. I also caught this pullback. I also caught it, guys. I also caught this pullback. Yeah, guys, let's go to 5 minute time frame and see what's happening. This is 5 minute time frame, guys. I told you this, that the system also trade breakouts, guys. Check the markets after the breakouts, and also gave us a breakout and a pullback. The system gave us arrows, and then check the price went up. Check how much the price rised. The price rise, crazy, guys. This shit is crazy. And like we also did get this line show that the market now is really pushed to the upside. As you can all see, what's happening right now, as the system already analyzed for us, gave us this red line and also this box, but this signal is not confirmed, because we need to get a sell signal arrow. This when I'm gonna execute my trade, and then like I'm gonna hold the sheet up until the price come to this level, 23%. Let's go to 5 minute time frame and see what's happening on Nasdaq. Let's see what's happening on Nasdaq, guys. Part 2 video, guys. I'm gonna teach you. I don't know what's happening right now, but yeah. Nasdaq. The reason why the system is doing like this, because the market now, we got a gap here, and then the market's not moving. Still, it's doing sideways. So yeah, we don't we this signal is not